gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Maria and welcome to Pool's Amphitheater for High Flyers! Thank you! Now this afternoon we'll be taking all of you on a flight and journey through a wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope that you leave the show feeling amazed by all our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take action for all our feathered friends across the world. Now speaking of feathered friends, I believe you saw some chickens running around the stage, right? Aha, now those were our bantam chickens. Now we have one more joining us very shortly. So take a look at that hat and let's welcome Charlie, our bantam rooster. There he is! And a perfect touchdown, well done Charlie! Now many of you may think that chickens cannot fly, but Charlie here has proven otherwise. Now Charlie, I believe you know your way back home. I'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye! Right now we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. In the wild, macaws will congregate on palm trees to feast on palm fruits and nuts. If you look really high up on that tree right over there, we have attached a fruit and a nut. Now without further ado, let's welcome the birds. Everyone look behind you, and here comes Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. One more friend will be joining us, so look back again, and here comes Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. Going back to Gaia, he's one of the 4 species of blue macaws that you can find around the world. And right here in the butt part, we have 3 species of blue macaws. And if you'd like to check that out, you can head out to Paradise. Now what happens after feasting on fruits and nuts? They will fly to rocky surfaces, just like these for example, to lick up on any chalk or clay. This will help them in the digestion of any unripe palm fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Now looks like Adrian is still enjoying his fruit, but not to worry, this will be his next destination. Oh, hi Saad!
Hello.
And who do you have here?
Now everyone, this is EP and he is our Gold Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Now he is so environmentally conscious that he uses only reusable containers and utensils. Okay Maria, let's say you are a drink seller.
Me, okay.
Okay, and if you give him a disposable plastic cup, now he will take the cup and he will return it to you.
Something like this over here?
Yes, okay. I'm going to put it right over here.
Oh, and he gives it back to me!
Yes, and even though if you give him a reusable cup, but this time with a plastic straw. Now he will take the straw and he will return it to you too.
Something like this?
You got everything there. Okay, so I'm going to put it right over here. Okay, Iki, let's show it to them.
Oh, he did it! He gave me back the plastic straw!
Well done. And this is because EP drinks only from the reusable cup.
Wow, and he drinks straight from the cup. Let's give a big round of applause for Iffy!
Now, plastic waste has invaded our water to an extent that there will be more plastic than fishes by 2050. And plastic waste, well actually they have even killed more than 1 million of birds and animals every single year. And that's why they are also known as the deadliest monsters of our waters.
What? Saad, that is an alarming rate!
It is.
Everyone, let's do our part to fight these deadliest monsters by reducing the use of single-use plastics. Just like Iffy here, we should refuse plastic straws and avoid using disposable plastics by bringing our own reusable cups and containers when buying takeaway food or drinks. We should also bring our own reusable bags instead of plastic bags when we go shopping.
Now I have a bag here, Maria, you can put your head inside here.
Saad, that's single-use plastic. Remember what I told you?
Oh, okay.
Not to worry, I have a reusable bag right over here.
Maria, let me help you. Okay.
And in goes the hat. Let's give it up for Iffy and Saad! Saad!
Yes.
Saad, don't forget, your bag.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Alright, for this segment we'll be introducing not one, but 2 beautiful birds. So before I introduce them to all of you, I need to remind everyone to remain seated at all times. Now looks like our first volunteers ready. Everyone take a look at that hat. And let's welcome our Toco toucans. Now Toco toucans are the largest in the toucan family, and you can find them in the jungles in South America. Now if you look closely at their bills, they have large bills, but despite that, they still remain agile in flight. Now to demonstrate that, Asa will be moving to the center volunteer, and he'll be tossing a fruit each to our toucans, and let's see if they can catch it. And for the people around, remember to remain seated at all times, and please remember to switch off your flashes. Alright, let's get the toucans ready. Hello, sir. Toucans. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Wow, what a beautiful catch by our toucan. Now look back again, we saw back off. Alright, let's get attention. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. And another beautiful catch by our toucan. Did you see that? Now we are so lucky to be able to see them really up close and personal because their numbers in the wild are declining due to poaching and deforestation. It would be greatly appreciated if you can help your local conservation efforts. Now let me introduce these birds to you. There you have it. Alright, now this is Mrs. Axel, and right over here is Mr. Axel. Now they are a beautiful husband and wife team. Now it's time for them to head back home, so I'm going to place them on the stump right over there. Now usually, Mrs. Axel will lead the way, and Mrs. Axel lead the way, and Mr. Axel will follow. Our Toco toucans, everybody! Now what differentiates parrots from other animals is the ability to copy sounds. They often do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for mimicking human sounds, and we have one such bird right with us. Let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Hello! Did you hear that? What a lovely hello! Now can you tell everybody here, what's your name? Amigo! What's your name? Amigo! Oh, his name is Amigo! Now Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you? So how's everyone doing this afternoon? Good? That's fantastic! Now Amigo here is a very smart bird. He can count 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect! Well done! Who is this? Oh, I know who this is. Everybody, this is Big John, and he's a sulfur-crested cockatoo. And did you know that Big John is over 50 years old? That's right, he's the veteran of the bird show. Now, Big John, want to say hello? Say hello. Did you hear that? What a sweet hello. Say hello. Oh. Okay, I think he's a bit too excited. All right, Big John, you want to sit there? All right, now Amigo's going to continue doing his act, okay? All right. Good. Good, John. I need to be quiet so that Amigo can do his act, okay? Okay. I think he wants a bit of attention. So you had him say hello. Let's try other sounds. You want to do the chicken? How about the chicken? How about the laugh? Oh, he's trying to back it up. Okay. How about the cough? The cough. Okay, if he doesn't want to do any sounds, we won't force it. But I did mention to you earlier that he's over 50 years old, and through the years, he's only picked up 5 mimics. That is the hello, chicken, cough, laugh, and bye-bye. Now, one thing about birds like Big John here, they love to scream their heads off. Alright, Big John, I need to be quiet, okay? Alright, Big John. Alright, Big John, if you scream one more time, I'm going to send you back home, okay? Amigo, we are distracted. Okay? It's okay. Now, birds like Big John, they love to scream their heads off. Oh, thank you, sir. All right. Now, birds like, did I mention to you earlier, birds like Big John love to scream their heads off. And if you keep them as a pet, they will disturb your sleep and even your neighbors. So do you think they're suitable as pets? No, right? So please think before you get yourself a pet parrot. Now, Amigo here can have the whole stage to himself. Alright. Now you heard him count in English. Let's hear him count in Chinese. That means very good in Chinese. Now, Amigo here, he loves to sing. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now let's start with the first song, which is in Chinese, and it's called Her Ren Lai, which means when a guest comes to visit. So Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? No, Amigo, sing in Mandarin. From Indonesia, and it's called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Now, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang?
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat nulan
Hey, Rasa Sayang by Amigo. Now, the last song is in English. So before Amigo sings, is there anybody celebrating their birthdays by any chance? Today is 25th of May. You'll start this section. Anybody celebrating their birthdays? Alright, we have one young man right there. Anybody else? How about this section? Anybody celebrating their birthdays? 2, 3, the young lady right there. 3. Any more? 4. Alright. How about this section over here? Anybody celebrating birthdays? Oh, I see them pointing. So 5. Alright, anybody else? I hope I didn't miss anybody. But here's a special song for Amigo. You know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 5 of you. And thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in Jurong Bird Park. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Amigo here is one in a million. It takes a lot of years and dedication to be able to do what he just did right here. Now imagine the disappointment apparent on his face when they end up with a bird like Big John, who's either very quiet or extremely loud. Now, I believe Amigo here has done a fantastic job. So can everybody wave and say bye, Amigo? Alright, so Amigo, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Maria and Amigo. So let me emphasize this once again, that these birds, they are very, very hard to upkeep, and some are even known to live as long as you and I, okay? So these birds, they can live up to 80 years old, so please do think twice, if not even thrice, before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? Now the next 2 birds coming out are 2 different species of hornbills, and they will show all of you how they nest in the wild. So with that, everyone, let's welcome Pepper, our pop-one-winged hornbill. Good afternoon, Pepper. Now, pop-one-winged hornbills like Pepper, they can be found in Asia. So when the female wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees, and then right up there is our nest box, which is similar to what we give the hornbills right here in the bird park. So I will be coming really close to you. Please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? Alright, so Pepper will be checking out the nest box in a very short while. Alright. Okay, Pepper, are you ready? Nest box is right there. You want to check it out? Okay, let's just give her some time. She's slowly inspecting her surroundings first, making sure there are no predators before taking off with the net. Okay, so what you are seeing right now is Pepper inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Wow, that was fast. Now once inside, the female will seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. So the hole, it will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Okay, Peppa, you can seal the nest now. Look at that. Peppa, are you still in there? And there she is. Now everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome Sunny, our great white hornbill, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. So the breeding behaviors of hornbills in the wild are very similar. The male will feed the female and the chicks inside the nest for about 3 to 4 months, after which mother and child will leave the nest. Now the Jurong Bird Park is successfully breeding the Oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like that one right there. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released them back into the wild, as well as right here in the bird park. So do keep your eyes wide open for them while walking around the park. Hi Saad, here to call Sunny down. Okay, I think he's still enjoying himself right up there. Let's just give him some time, okay? Okay, looks like he's ready. Wow, look at that. Oh dear. He missed you. Let's try this one more time, Saad. And there you go. Hornbills, everyone. Wow, very nice music. Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. So if you'd like to volunteer, raise up your hands. Get the trainer's attention right up there, and they might just pick you. On my left, we have Eileen. In the center, Maria. To my right, we have Azza, okay? So look at the bird's wing.